Yeah, good morning, students. In this video, I will discuss your syllabus of MCS211, and this is the syllabus, and I will discuss the important topics for you. Uh, and these topics will help in your exams. And uh, although it's a vast syllabus, and it contains four blocks. In each block, there are 3 to 4 units, and unit 1 discusses the basic of an algorithms and its properties, and then solving the recurrence relations, asymptotic notations, and all. So these are the 4 units, and in these 4 units it entirely covers the role of asymptotic notations to analyze the running time complexity of the algorithms. Okay, so so in this block, the only important part is asymptotic notations and solving the recurrence relations using the methods. There are 4 methods. Basically, mainly there are 3 methods that are very much important to you. First is substitution method. Second is your tree method. Third is iterative method. And fourth one is master method. I am saying 3 because the iteration and substitution methods are all same, and right. They are similar, right? So if you know one of them, then you can solve the problems. Okay. Now, the other topic which is important in this block is your principle of mathematical induction, that you will also study in your discrete mathematics, the principle of mathematical induction, to prove some questions, right? Like the sum of n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2, so it can be proved by induction, right? So mathematical induction. Now comes to the block 2. Block 2 is based on some design techniques, in which there are number of algorithms that has been discussed in this block, and it contains all the syllabus of block 2 in 3 units. So as I just told you that there are some techniques of algorithms. The first one is greedy techniques, and in which they have discussed the knapsack problem and fractional knapsack problem. So this is very important. Questions are asked every time in each year or in each semester from this topic. So the Huffman codes. So there are two topics, which is fractional knapsack problem and Huffman codes, are the two very much important topics from this unit 1, okay, which is based on greedy approach or technique, right? And when I talk about the unit 2, again, here we have 2 algorithms which are most important with respect to your exam, which is merge sort and quick sort, along with the discussion of the running time of these 2 sorting algorithms. And I will explain these algorithms in details in the upcoming videos, right? Then unit 3 of this block 2 covers the graph representation. So the important topics are the representation of graphs using the adjacency matrix and list, and graph traversal algorithms DFS and BFS, which are depth first search and breadth first search, and the topological sort. So basically these 2 topics are very much important, okay, very much important with respect to your exams, right? Okay, you will leave this strongly connected components, okay, because as I am discussing only the important parts, from these portions the most of the questions are asked, right? And when I talk about this block 3, it has again the concept of covers the concept of minimum cost spanning trees, and also discusses the 2 algorithms which are very easy, Kruskal's and Prim's, right? So then it comes block 4, it has uh, some problems like NP and P problems, right? P problems means the algorithms having the polynomial time, or the time complexity, it is polynomial, right? And NP complement means non polynomial, so which runs on the exponential and other running times, right? So again, the variations of these two problems, NP problems and P problems, which is the NP hard and NP complete problems. So if you do this much, only this much in your exams, and so then it will be very very beneficial too. So I just told you 10 to 12 topics. If you cover these topics and with the algorithms and discussion their running times, also you solve the previous year questions papers on these topics, because the maximum questions are asked from these portions only. So I bet you that you will score more than 90% marks in MCS 211, which is a very logical paper, and it's a very interesting, and you don't need to mug up the concepts, but you have to learn and logically understand the concepts of algorithms, right? So that's all for this video, this lecture, and I will make the videos on each one of these topics if you ask me to do that, and I will surely going to help you, right? So please leave in the comment box that if you like these topics, or if you like the content of this video, that yes sir, you can go ahead to fully understand these concepts and to help in your exams, right? So thank you very much, thanks lot, and all the best.